In the historic heart of Mérida stands an old house that carries the weight of time. Casa Deco, more than just a dwelling, it is a witness to how architecture can transform, adapt, and yet preserve its soul. Its iconic Art Deco facade was not part of its original design. Instead, it was the result of a later renovation, a layer of history that enriches its character. Rather than erasing it, the architects chose to reveal it, allowing the building's journey through time to remain visible. This project is not merely a restoration. It is an attempt to revive the downtown lifestyle. The backyard, balconies, and terraces are reimagined as spaces of interaction, reconnecting the house with natural airflow, sunlight, and the vibrant rhythm of outdoor living. Yet time had left its marks. Several rooms no longer functioned as they should. With care and precision, the architects reconfigured the layout to meet today's needs, while safeguarding the historical essence that defines the home. The most dramatic transformation took place in the central block. Here, a new upper volume was introduced to house essential services. Alongside it, a new staircase was crafted, not just as a passage between floors, but as a sculptural element that brings life and identity to the space. What makes it remarkable is the respect for the past. These new interventions never touched the old stone walls. The traditional masonry remains exposed, creating a powerful dialogue between old and new, where history and modernity meet in harmony. As natural light filters through the new openings, it dances across the rough stone surfaces. Shadows shift throughout the day, revealing textures that tell stories, making time itself feel like an ever-present part of the architecture. Casa Deco is not just a renovated house. It is a narrative of continuity, a project that bridges past and present, honoring memory while embracing modern living. It stands as a lesson in how architecture can preserve history while creating a future.